Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So this is the morning of Porschella. You could see by the evidence around me that it is raining. It is downpouring. As many of you know, I just got my car detailed roughly, about 2 weeks ago to perfection. So it is sitting perfectly detailed in the garage. But a detail just means that it's an opportunity to go drive the car no matter what the weather is. So I just have to go out there and weather the storm. Let's see how this goes.
Use the right lane to take exit 4EW onto Long Island Expressway.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So we are here at Porschella looking at all the cool cars that we have around us, and that 993 looks absolutely fantastic. I see this modern turbo 997. I believe it's a .2 because of the front fog lights. Beautiful. Got to pay attention to acknowledge the dogs. A 914, a 993, another 993, another 993. Just the colors are astounding. There's me in the distance, front and center. And then you have the America Roadster. Cool car, an amazing car. And anytime you write America on the side, it just makes it a little bit cooler, and it's got a stick shift. Even better. This 993 finished in red looks absolutely fantastic, and this blue 993 with that wing and those RS wheels are incredible. Just a really cool example with the stitching across the entire dashboard makes it a really cool car. And this Vesuvius example looks absolutely incredible. Finished to perfection, with the seat backs finished in the same color as the exterior. And these BBS wheels that are color matched to the vehicle. It just does not get any better than this with the twin grille. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Porschella is like the Luftgekuhlt or the air water show that takes place in LA. But this is the East Coast version. And that shot right there, I'm sure, is really, really cool. because it's just an overall view of all the people and all the place at this amazing venue. Here we have a GT. Well, yeah, this is a really cool GT4 RS variant. It's a Spider RS, but you know, it's based off the GT4. I had to correct myself. And of course we have the bigger brother 911 GT3 in the back. And in hiding we have that dark blue, dark sea blue. It matches my car really well. GT3 Touring, and of course you have this beautiful jade green, or the modern equivalent of Hellgrün, finished in an amazing color. And right behind it you have the Dakar, which is incredible, and it probably is the best vehicle that you can have for an off-road application because of the off-road wheels that serve perfectly in this kind of inclement weather. Whereas these, if you run into a pothole, you might be in a little bit of trouble, but these, you got plenty of ground clearance and you'll be in really good shape. This purple car is beautiful. And if I'm walking through the crowd, we have that car. But one of my favorites is this 37E production 356 Speedster, a car that raced in period at many tracks across the nation. Some of those tracks you will recognize. And the size of the car is perfect for racing. Lightweight means additional performance. And of course we have this car with the bolstered seats, very similar to my car in many regards, but just a few differences, subtle differences throughout. And the rear IROC bumpers just make it a really cool modification. It's a subtle modification where you subtract the rear 5-mile-per-hour bumpers. Over here we have a unicorn of a car, a Club Sport model, one of the great cars based off the original 944, but this is a 968, sunroof delete with the Tech Art color matched wheels, one of the best cars that you'll ever see. And this sounds absolutely incredible, and these wheels with the deep dishes, great stuff. And of course the Group 4 wheels that we have over here. Amazing seats. One of the best aftermarket seats that you could buy for this car. Porschella. And of course, another Dakar model that we have here. And of course we have Dewey's 911R tribute car, which is so awesome, based off the SC. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there's plenty of cars, and I'm going to look in the other direction to find additional vehicles that I know you're going to want to enjoy this, because there's a lot more. There's an outside venue as well. What? Is it? extends to the outdoors. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment down below. I got to see a lot of cool Porsches. It's a fun time here at Porschella, brought to you by the great people over at CarPark. Yes, so if you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. I made it home, and the sun came out. Perfect.